Greetings and welcome to another video on our Flott channel. In today's video, I will specifically showcase our Plus series control panel and illustrate the various options it offers. Indeed, this control panel serves as the core component of our Plus series, being integrated into every machine within this range. This makes it very easy for machine operators, as the basic operation of a small bench drill is the same as that of a large column drill. Yes, the Plus control panel has 4 buttons and a rotary switch as its main features. The left buttons enable the operator to turn the machine on or off. By using the upper right button, every machine in the Plus series allows for the standard use of a profit cutting mode. In this mode, you can select between drilling and profit cutting. The lower right button allows us to set a reference point, enabling us to establish our 0 point on the workpiece surface. While in drilling mode, we can always view the key machine parameters on our OLED display. This includes the currently set rotational speed and also the current depth of the drill, then the set target drilling depth and the number of boreholes that have already been made. Additionally, the speed can be adjusted continuously at any time. By pressing the button on our rotary switch, we then proceed to program our drilling mode. First, the control panel requires the reference point. This means we will position our drill tool on the surface of the workpiece and set our reference point here. Now we can set the target drilling depth. There are 2 ways to do this. We can approach the planned drilling depth using the feed cross and confirm it by pressing a button on the rotary control. Another possibility is to input the desired drilling depth directly through the rotary control. In other words, you rotate the knob, set the desired measurement, and confirm that as well in this case. Now you have programmed the machine with the planned target drilling depth. The machine now gives you an acoustic and visual signal when this depth is reached, so you can be sure that you never drill deeper than planned. Now let's move on to the standard threading mode. We will switch to the threading mode now. The control panel first requires a spindle speed for cutting the thread. You can easily input the speed using the rotary dial without any steps. Press a button to confirm. Now we need to approach the workpiece surface. This is done by moving to the workpiece surface and setting the reference point. Press this button to do it. Now we just need to program the planned threading depth. There are again 2 options for this. With the first option, we simply move to the planned depth using the drill cross and then confirm with a button press. Alternatively, we can input the threading depth using the rotary dial and confirm it by pressing a button afterward. The threading mode has now been programmed. We have set the intended depth for thread cutting, and once the machine achieves this depth, it will automatically initiate a reversal of rotation direction. This means that the return stroke and the exit from the threaded hole will be initiated automatically. These were the basic main functions, but the Plus panel can do much more. To access our submenu, simply press these 2 buttons together and hold them down for a longer time. This will enable you to view and modify all the features and standard functions of your fleet drilling machine. You can change units to inches here. Choose from 6 operating languages, activate and deactivate the spindle stop function, retrieve possible errors, change the thread type from right hand to left hand, turn the screensaver on or off, or set up a password protection. The Plus machines can do much more than most people know. So, I hope I could help you understand the operation and all the extra features of our Plus control panel. For any questions or ideas, please contact us without hesitation. Thanks for watching, and we appreciate your time from the Flott team.